Hello everyone. Today we will discussing about how to create database and how to create table inside database and how to insert value. I have already discussed how to create database and in this video I'll also explain how to create a database. Okay, so let's get start. Uh, I requested to you, if you like videos, please at the end please subscribe and like, hit the like button and also share with your friends, close friends. Thank you. Let's get started. So first of all you need to write query, means keywords like create database. Okay, database, this is the query. Okay, create database, this is the query. And after, again after database, you need to write whatever you want to keep your name database, like my name is Hira H. So Hira already exists database, so we can choose any another, like data 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 and data G. Okay, whatever you want to tag name, you can feel free. Okay, so this is the name of the database. Data G is the name of the database, and at the end you need to add semicolon. Okay, and you need to write this all the keys, create a database, and after a space you need to write name of the database. Okay, so come directly to the go button and click. So you can see here data G. Okay, so data G is the database, but inside the data Z there is no any table. Okay, there is no any table, so you need to select data Z and come to the SQL query. So here you need to create table inside data G. So I'm explaining you how to create table inside database data G. Okay, so you need to start write query create table. Okay, create table, and you need to give a name of table. Okay, so create table and name, you need to you can have any name, whatever you want to tag, like house. Okay, so this is the name of the table. Okay, and after that you need to take a parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis you need to define attribute means house number, house ID, house name, village. There are many more things you can add on. Okay, so inside the house you need to define attribute. So attribute means house ID. Okay, and with attribute you need to define corresponding data type, means suppose id is integer value, and integer contain integer value, so you can keep id into integer, so you need to define int. Okay, and basically I'm explaining you very simple queries. Here I'm not talking about what is primary, foreign. So just leave for temporary, and you need to create attribute like id and name. Okay, name of the house. So name is basically a string, so you need to define where char. Okay, and you need to fix limit. I'm fixing 25, and after name you can add on number, house number. So house number, house number. Okay, and house number may be very large, then you can keep house number also in where char means it is capable to store string value. Okay, so you can take max limit like 30. Okay, so name, where house number, all are clear. We already declared all the attributes, and you need to at the end close the parenthesis and add semicolon and just run. Go to the run button and click on run. Go. Okay, so you can see here, first of all, at the initial of video, beginning of video, we are firstly created data z. Basically this is the name of the database, and inside the data g there is a table named house. If I'm click on house, then you can see there is an attribute named id, name, house number. Okay, so now the we'll talking about how can we insert value in database. So again you need to select house and come to the SQL query and just cut it. Okay, so you can see here, id, name and house number. Okay, so basically now we are able to insert value in database inside table. Okay, so you need to start query insert insert what insert you can write into. Okay, there are two way to insert, but in this video I am explaining only one video. So insert into table, insert into table. So what is the name of the table? Name of the table is basically house. Okay, so house, and you need to write here values because we are inserting value inside the house. Okay, right. So as you know, we are defined already attribute like id, name and house number. So id, at the time of declaration, we are declared id as integer and name as varchar and house number as varchar. So id will also be int. So suppose you can write 101 is the id, and after that name. Okay, corresponding name. So name may be Lucknow. For temporary example you can take Lucknow, and whatever you want you can take. Okay, so Lucknow, and after that house number. So house number you can take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so and close with upper colon and just close them. Okay, and at the end you need to add semicolon, and you can copy these ones. Okay, and after that you need to paste 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, whatever you want. Okay, so if you want, then you can change corresponding IDs 103 104, and you also can change location. You may name, so like Gomti, like Delhi, like Patna, and also you can change like house number. You can give here 8 6 0. Okay, so our query is already finished, and you need to come here and just click on go button. So here you can see your database is created. Okay, so I think you are happy because you have created your first database and inside table, and you are also you are also able to put value inside the table. Okay, so now question arises, how can I fetch data from table? So there is more queries. So you can just write, if you want to know whatever data you have just inserted in house, then how can you fetch them with the help of query? Yeah, this is there is a solution. So you need to write syntax like select, and this is the star means all. Select from and from and house, house, and just at the end you need to add house and semicolon, and you need to click go. Okay, so go button. So here you can see whatever you value inserted corresponding attributes, everything is visible here. You can just increase the size if you want every attributes. Yeah, so yeah, now it's looking very awesome. So this is the all process how to create database, and how to create table inside database, and how to insert value, and how to write query, how to fetch data from database. I hope you all are understand very. Please subscribe this channel for latest notification, for latest videos update. Thank you so much for watching this video.